Reported speech exercises. He works in a bank. She said that he worked in a bank. Julie doesn't like going out much. She said that Julie didn't like going out much. I don't have a computer. She said that she didn't have a computer. They never arrive on time. She said that they never arrived on time. We often meet friends in London at the weekend. She said that they often met friends in London at the weekend. David doesn't have any children. She said that David didn't have any children. I don't go to the gym very often. She said that she didn't go to the gym very often. Lucy owns 3 flats in the city. She said that Lucy owned 3 flats in the city. I never get up early on Sundays. She said that she never got up early on Sundays. Jill meets her boyfriend at the cinema every Friday night. She said that Jill met her boyfriend at the cinema every Friday night. We don't travel much. She said that they didn't travel much. John doesn't live in Japan anymore. She said that John didn't live in Japan anymore. They work in Hong Kong. She said that they worked in Hong Kong. I have to work until 7 or 8 p.m. every night. She said that she had to work until 7 or 8 p.m. every night. I don't want to go to the theatre. She said that she didn't want to go to the theatre. We like working in Paris. She said that they liked working in Paris. She doesn't have enough time to do everything. She said that she didn't have enough time to do everything. They often go on holiday in July. She said that they often went on holiday in July. We are working. He told me that they were working. She's coming to the party. He told me that she was coming to the party. She's talking on the telephone. He told me that she was talking on the telephone. Lucy is reading a book in front of the fire. He told me that Lucy was reading a book in front of the fire. I'm not going out. He told me that he wasn't going out. We are not visiting Paris during our trip. He told me that they weren't visiting Paris during their trip. I'm listening to my new CD. He told me that he was listening to his new CD. I'm not going to go on holiday. He told me that he wasn't going to go on holiday. he isn't living in Beijing. He told me that he wasn't living in Beijing. Jill is studying a lot. He told me that Jill was studying a lot. We aren't renting a flat. He told me that they weren't renting a flat. They are visiting the museum. He told me that they were visiting the museum. Jane left the party early. He told me that Jane had left the party early. I didn't go out at the weekend. He told me that he hadn't gone out at the weekend. He didn't like chocolate as a child. He told me that he hadn't liked chocolate as a child. They visited Japan. He told me that they had visited Japan. She didn't buy the dress. He told me that she hadn't bought the dress. He met his girlfriend in a cafe. He told me that he had met his girlfriend in a cafe. David didn't arrive until 10 o'clock. He told me that David hadn't arrived until 10 o'clock. We went to the park to have a picnic. He told me that they had gone to the park to have a picnic. We ate Chinese food. He told me that they had eaten Chinese food. She forgot to bring the CDs. He told me that she had forgotten to bring the CDs. I didn't like food in the restaurant. He told me that he hadn't liked food in the restaurant. He didn't take a shower. He told me that he hadn't taken a shower. She has visited Paris 3 times. She said that she had visited Paris 3 times. I haven't seen Julie for ages. She said that she hadn't seen Julie for ages. He hasn't passed the exam. She said that he hadn't passed the exam. We haven't seen The Lord of the Rings. She said that they hadn't seen The Lord of the Rings. They have eaten in a lot of different restaurants. She said that they had eaten in a lot of different restaurants. I've never tried skateboarding. She said she'd never tried skateboarding. Lucy has drunk 6 cups of coffee. She said that Lucy had drunk 6 cups of coffee. Mr. Black has written 3 books. She said that Mr. Black had written 3 books. She has never swum in the sea. She said that she had never swum in the sea. He has studied Latin. She said that he had studied Latin. I've been sick all week. She said that she had been sick all week. I haven't met Richard before. She said that she hadn't met Richard before. I'll go to the cinema later. She said that she would go to the cinema later. She'll be late. She said that she would be late. Lucy will definitely come. She said that Lucy would definitely come. I will stop smoking on Tuesday. She said that she would stop smoking on Tuesday. They won't be able to arrive early. She said that they wouldn't be able to arrive early. He won't remember to buy milk. She said that he wouldn't remember to buy milk. It won't rain later, I'm sure. She said that it wouldn't rain later, she was sure. The girl will never pass the exam. She said that the girl would never pass the exam. John will arrive before David. She said that John would arrive before David. It will be cold. She said that it would be cold. Jenny will cook dinner. She said that Jenny would cook dinner. She won't want to attend the meeting. She said that she wouldn't want to attend the meeting.